Welcome to Dublin, the lively capital city of Ireland, where history, culture, and good craic fun converge. In this exciting travel guide, we invite you to explore the cobblestone streets, revel in the traditional music, sample the iconic Guinness, and immerse yourself in the warm Irish hospitality that makes Dublin a must-visit destination. Dublin's history and landmarks. Dublin is steeped in history, and there's no better place to stop than in the heart of the city at Temple Bar. This vibrant neighbourhood is a hub of pubs, restaurants, and live music venues. Enjoy the lively atmosphere as you listen to traditional Irish tunes pouring out of the doors and embrace the convivial spirit of the Irish people. Another historic gem in Dublin is Dublin Castle. Explore the beautifully preserved rooms and learn about the city's medieval origins and its role in Ireland's complex history. Don't forget to wander through the tranquil gardens, where you can take in the beauty of this historic landmark. Trinity College, Ireland's oldest university, is a must-visit. Marvel at the stunning architecture of the old library and lay your eyes on one of Ireland's national treasures, the Book of Kells. This illuminated manuscript is a masterpiece of medieval artistry and showcases the skill of the ancient scribes. Dublin's cultural delights. Dublin is a city where culture thrives, and you can immerse yourself in it at the National Gallery of Ireland. Explore its extensive collection of Irish and European art, including works by famous artists such as Jack B. Yeats and Caravaggio. The gallery also hosts temporary exhibitions that showcase contemporary Irish talent. For a taste of literary Dublin, visit the Dublin Writers' Museum. Learn about the city's rich literary heritage and discover the works of renowned Irish writers like James Joyce, Oscar Wilde, and W.B. Yeats. The museum's collection includes manuscripts, letters, and personal belongings that offer insights into the lives of these literary giants. Grafton Street, Dublin's premier shopping destination, is not only a shopper's paradise but also a hub of street performance. Stroll along this bustling street, browse through the trendy shops, and enjoy the lively music and entertaining performances by talented local artists. Dublin's gastronomic delights. No visit to Dublin is complete without indulging in the city's culinary offerings. Start your day with a hearty Irish breakfast, complete with bacon, sausages, black pudding eggs, and a side of soda bread. For lunch, head to one of Dublin's many gastropubs and sample traditional dishes like Irish stew or fish and chips paid with a pint of Guinness. Experience the vibrant food scene at Temple Bar Food Market, where you can explore a variety of stalls offering artisanal products, fresh produce, and international cuisine. Don't forget to try a classic Irish delicacy, a warm and comforting bowl of Irish stew. Dublin's pub culture. Dublin is renowned for its pub culture, and no visit is complete without experiencing it firsthand. Head to the iconic Guinness Storehouse, where you can learn about the brewing process, enjoy panoramic views of the city from the Gravity Bar, and even learn how to pour the perfect pint of Guinness. For an authentic Irish pub experience, venture into the historic pubs of Dublin. Places like the Brazen Head, established in 1198, and the Palace Bar, a literary haunt, exude charm and character. Sit back, relax, and listen to live traditional music while sipping on a pint of Ireland's finest brew. Dublin's natural beauty. Escape the bustling city and explore the natural beauty that surrounds Dublin. Take a stroll along the picturesque River Liffey or enjoy a peaceful walk in Phoenix Park, one of the largest enclosed city parks in Europe. Keep an eye out for the resident deer that roam freely throughout the park. Just a short distance from Dublin, you'll find the stunning coastal towns of Howth and Dunleaghare. Take a scenic coastal walk in Howth and savour fresh seafood at one of its renowned seafood restaurants. In Dunleaghare, enjoy a leisurely stroll along the charming pier and soak in the beautiful views of Dublin Bay. Dublin's festivals and events. Dublin is a city that knows how to celebrate, and throughout the year it hosts an array of festivals and events. From the vibrant St. Patrick's Festival, where the city comes alive with parades and celebrations, to the Dublin Fringe Festival, showcasing the best of Irish and international performing arts, there's always something exciting happening. Immerse yourself in the electrifying atmosphere of the Dublin International Film Festival, where you can watch premieres, attend and sessions with filmmakers, and discover emerging talent. For music lovers, the vibrant Trad Fest brings traditional Irish music to the streets and venues of Dublin, filling the city with the soul-stirring melodies of fiddles, flutes, and bodhráns. Dublin, with its rich history, vibrant culture, and warm hospitality, offers a captivating experience for every traveller. Whether you're exploring the city's landmarks, indulging in its culinary delights, embracing its pop culture, or immersing yourself in its natural beauty, Dublin has something to offer. Let this travel guide be your companion as you uncover the treasures of this remarkable city and create memories that will last a lifetime. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Dublin. We hope you have a fantastic time exploring this incredible city. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Slán go fóill. Goodbye for now.